Hey, family. Just wanted to let y'all know, as y'all can see, they muted my session, my daytime session, but no worries. I'm gonna get that, I'm gonna recreate it tomorrow. I'm gonna try to do the same movements to try to get the same outcome. And if they won't let me post it on TikTok, you best believe damn show is gonna be on YouTube. I'm gonna try to save it before I post it, and then try to post it and see if they gonna let it go up. If they don't let it go up, hey, no skin off my shoulders. I'll put it over there on YouTube. The one I saved. Shoot. I didn't get a chance to save this one though. Something told me, well, of course Ra probably told me to save it, but I didn't. But I'm gonna do it next time. I'm gonna start saving all these milk before I post them. Sometimes they don't give me the option to, so now I done found a way out around that. I'm gonna start screen recording once they try to stop me from saving it. Yep. But anyway, that's all I wanted to let y'all know. Alright, peace. Hell, they even stopped me from downloading it, downloading the muted video. They completely erased the darn sound from it. They let me know that I probably had something with that. I felt that I had something with it too. Cause man, the radio started acting weird while I was doing the video. It's gonna be hard to recreate that what the radio had did, cause afterwards, after I listened to it, ran it back, the radio had made the sound echo out like actual sound wave. Man, I don't know what it was, but it was so unique. I ain't gonna be able to recreate that. I want to recreate that. It happened because my the radio was, I didn't charge it, so you know how things start dying down and stuff. That's what it was doing. It was dying down and making ticking sounds as it was winding down out. But those ticking sounds on the run back, man, it made the sound real. It made the sound. How should I put this? It made it echo. This, man, it was dope though. Maybe I shouldn't have told y'all that, because now y'all be really expecting that version of it. And there's no guarantee I can recreate that, because I've charged the darn radio since then. And I'm not finna just let the dang old thing play until it's at the dying out stage. Sure, it took me a while to work on this nighttime one. And plus, I had did that daytime one right after I did a big ass errand. It was a lot of running around. Went to cash my check. Then I went to get something to eat, get some food. Went to go get my put some more gas in my darn jerry can so I could put more gas in the generator. What else did I do? Yeah. And tomorrow I was supposed to be going to the movies. Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna go see, but I'm going to the movies and I'm getting me a new outfit as well. Yeah. That's basically gonna be it. And I'll make the video probably later on because you know they're gonna be having church in the morning. Yeah. Anyways, I don't like these little small silences between my talking. Cause it feel like I've been awkward or something. Anyways, I'm out. I'm rambling. See y'all tomorrow. Peace. God damn it.